brother just got a TRX450R. My brother on the TRX450R. He bought it used. He likes more street bikes. He bought this just to come with us and for the kids to come and enjoy the little bit of outdoors. This thing came with nice rims and tires, a graphic kit, kickstart. What year?
204.
04, man. That's all you need, man. For everybody out there, it comes with exhaust, full exhaust, by the way. So for all you guys that think you need to have the badass bike or a quad to ride, you don't need to, man. For you to have fun with friends, as long as if you're not a racer, if you're not like a full race guy, for you to have fun, this is it. That's all you need. Look at this. 04 Honda TRX 450R. Not today because he's just trying it out and he's all beat up. His body hurts already because he's not used to riding dirt. But next time he comes, you know, I want to race him. I want to race him with my beast right here. That's the 14 450R Yamaha. Forget the Modelo. GBC XC Master tires, front and rear. Alba beadlock wheels. And today I just lost a screw here, man. What the fuck? And guys, I took the lid off. I have the fuel optimizer as well. And the best thing I've ever did on this quad was take off the lid of the airbox lid. With full HMF blackout exhaust. As you can see, full exhaust. And this is Brian's 16 700R Raptor. It's a 16. You know, also with a GBC XC Master tires, front and rear with all the wheels. Yeah, 60th anniversary right there. As you guys can see, he's looking for an exhaust. If you guys out there have an exhaust to sell him on a good price, I'll talk to him about it. Just leave a comment down below and he may get it. But this TRX450R came with like nice tires, man. The rears are alright, kinda cutter. The fronts are maxis, Razor 2s, but I feel that it came with a rental handlebars, grips like mine. This graphic kit looks sick. Brian is riding the 450R TRX. My brother is riding the Raptor. He's ripping over there, man. Brian's ripping that shit. that sounds great, man. Those 450 Hondas, man. That's beasts, little beasts. Yo, try this one. Now Brian's gonna try my 450. God damn, yo. God, that thing's another ballpark, man. That thing is a little beast. This sounds good. I never see anybody riding my quad before. Yo, tu gostas? Like it? Comfy, right? Oh yeah. How you like it?
Good. Good for racing. That's good for everything.
But you really feel the power on this thing, right? Huh?
Dude, it's a lot lower.
A lot lower, right? Okay, hey. You guys want to go that way and find it or no? Or you want to go back? Okay, guys. Yeah. Got it. Yes, you got it. Everybody's tired. It's cold. Yo, it's not a good idea. Too flooded. Go, go, go.